students, today we shall study about the methods of improving the performance of a gas turbine power plant or a efficiency of a power plant, gas turbine power plant. One of the method of improving the performance of a gas turbine power plant is regenerative cycle using the regenerator. Here the hot gases from the gas turbine are used to heat the air coming from the compressor in a counterflow heat exchanger known as regenerator. The air is heated from T2 to T5 in the counterflow heat exchanger, whereas the hot gases are cooled from T4 to T6. This reduces the amount of fuel to be supplied in the combustion chamber. Now the air has to be heated from T5 to T3 instead of being heated from T2 to T3. T2 to T3. So then an ideal regenerator heats the compressed air from T2 to T5 equal to T4, whereas it cools the exhaust gases from T4 to T6 equal to T2. So then thermal efficiency of a regenerative cycle is given by Cp T3 minus T4 minus Cp T2 minus T1 divided by Cp T3 minus T5. So as T4 equal to T5 in an ideal generator, so the thermal efficiency is equal to 1 minus T2 minus T1 divided by T3 minus T5 is equal to 1 minus T2 minus T1 divided by T3 minus T4. So T2 minus T1 equal to 1 by neta C T2 dash minus T1 and T3 minus T4 equal to neta T T3 minus T4 dash. So equal to 1 minus 1 by neta C neta T T1 by T3 T2 dash by T1 minus 1 the whole divided by 1 minus T4 dash by T3. So T2 dash by T1 equal to T3 by T4 dash equal to Rp raised to gamma minus 1 by gamma. So the thermal efficiency is equal to 1 minus 1 by neta C neta T T1 by T3 Rp raised to gamma minus 1 by gamma minus 1 minus 1 by Rp raised to gamma minus 1 by gamma. It gives thermal efficiency of the gas turbine cycle, gas turbine power cycle for an ideal with an ideal regenerator and having compressor efficiency and turbine efficiency as neta C and neta T is given by 1 minus 1 by neta C neta T T1 by T3 Rp raised to gamma minus 1 by gamma. So it shows that thermal efficiency increases with increase in T3 by T1 and decreases with increase in pressure ratio. Now actual regenerative cycle. Ideally speaking, the air has to be air is compressed air is heated from T4 to T2 to T5 equal to T4, but air is heated from here in actual practice, and hot gases should be cooled from T4 to T6 equal to T2. But actually, the air is heated in an actual regenerator. Air is heated only from T2 to T5 dash. T2 to T5 dash, and not from T2 to T5. So therefore, and gases are cooled from T4 to T6 dash instead of from T4 to T6. So therefore, the thermal efficiency of a gas turbine power plant with a actual regenerator cycle is given by thermal efficiency equal to T3 minus T4 minus T2 minus T1 T3 minus T4 minus T2 minus T1 divided by T3 minus T5 dash. T3 minus T5 dash. So then effectiveness of regenerator is given by effectors of regenerator is given by, so T5 dash minus T2, T5 dash minus T2 divided by T5 minus T2. That is actual rise in temperature of, actual temperature rise in the regenerator divided by ideal temperature rise in the compressor. Actual temperature rise in the compressor divided by ideal temperature rise in the compressor. So this is all about the regenerator cycle. Now we'll go to the next method of improving the this efficiency of a gas turbine power plant is intercooling. So what is intercooling? So instead of intercooling, instead of compressing the air in one stages, the air is here is compressed in compressed air is compressed in two stages with intercooling between the two stages. So air is compressed in two stages with intercooling between the two stages. So here and then here can see here the air is compressed. Here air is compressed from. Here air is compressed from 1 to 2 in a compressor C1, 1 to 2 in compressor C1, and it is cooled from 2 to 3 in an intercooler, 2 to 3 in intercooler, and again it is compressed from 3 to 4 in another compressor, second. Then it is heated from T4 to T5 in the combustion chamber, and 5 to 6 indicates the expansion of gases in the gas turbine. So had the compression had been taking place in only one stage instead of two stages, then the work done, the compressor work will be equal to Cp T2 dash minus T1. Cp T2 dash minus T1 equal to Cp T2 dash minus T2 plus Cp T2 minus T1. Cp T2 minus T1 plus Cp T2 dash minus T2. So then, if the compressor, if the gas turbine is used with an intercooler with a two-stage compressor with intercooling between them, then the total work done for the two-stage compressor will be equal to Cp T2 minus T1 plus Cp T4 minus T3. T2 minus T1 plus Cp T4 minus T3. So comparing this equation 1 with 2, we'll get comparing 1 to 1 with 2, we'll get the compressor work 3-4 is less than 2-2 dash. As the compressor work 3-4 is 3-4 is less than 2-2. We can say that compressor. They can say that this compressor work with for a compressor work for a two-stage compressor with intercooling is less than the compression work if for a single stage compressor.